can see the details.
Let's go the other way. Who tried to watch the movies? I fell asleep halfway.
I couldn't see
I'll be honest,
a lot of the rings.
And who has no idea what I'm talking about, this has been dragged along by friends. It's a technique called forced perspective. Gandalf's at the front of the cart, nice and close to the camera. Sitting next to him, fisherman, yeah. You'll notice he's painted fish on his letterbox. There's fishing rods above the door. There's catch of the day notice board, fish and eels smoking in the fireplace, and of course, net, tackle box, reel, bits and bobs. But a lot of people see this house as they walk past. Fisherman, yeah. You'll notice he's painted fish on his letterbox. There's fishing rods above the door. There's catch of the day notice board, fish and eels smoking in the fireplace, and of course, net, tackle box, reel, bits and bobs. But a lot of people see this house as they walk past. Okay, so you can try and throw the house.
Just as I was going, just hang on into the front. Reminds me of their age.
Come inside.
Yeah.
That's not you have to duck in. Feels good not looking, doesn't it?
Yeah, things.
Oh my god. Oh dear.
It's lovely. It's so gorgeous.
Oh, they don't even need to duck if I walk in the middle.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah. Feels good, doesn't it? Yeah. I feel sorry for my co-workers who have to duck all the time. They get stationed here all day and night. I'm always just like,
Yeah. These carrots.
oh,
it's awesome.
oh, I know. Oh, I did take the
They did such a good job.
No, they're in the other half. The one, 3, 2,
Oh, whole front is it? I heard that.
You gotta do a little fancy. You gotta bash your head on something.
It was a good warning because I immediately ducked. I was like, no. Learn from this. That was also, yes.
No, that was definitely deliberate.
Not as tall as you, but tall enough. At some point, mine won't be.
Oh yeah.
I'll just absolutely crap myself.
Caulfield.
Huh? Oh, we didn't look in there properly, but I think we're going through to the bedroom now.
Yeah, we are a make-believe.
It's a hobbit.
Oh, the heat.
Oh God, yeah, they're more kids.
So guys, welcome to the home of the Proudfoots. Can I hear a proud foot? Proud feet? If that does sound familiar, you guys might actually recognize a face above the fireplace here. This is of course Odo Proudfoot, or Noel Appleby, who played him. And of course you can see the actress that played his wife has been represented as well.
Kinda
I
looks
think
like
really
me.
cool. With that hobbity look. Now these were done I think by portraits by Alan Lee as
Okay,
well.
I'm gonna go on the bunk bed now. Bye.
Alright, make sure those shoes in there.
Oh, wow, I didn't see this. No,
Now guys, as we've been exploring the house, has anyone noticed something missing from it? Like an entire room that's not here.
kitchen.
You're exactly right, kitchen! Does seem strange we build a house for hobbits who love to eat and then forget the most important room in the house, the one with the food in it. Truth is, we didn't forget at all. This is actually only half of the house you've seen. And if you guys are ready, I'm going to open up the second half now. Oh,
This is so cute, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. So much.
Don't be afraid to check out the second half of the house. There are some glowworms hidden in there. You know, we'll find those.
So too red enough.
Still go to Waikato. But if
他们每天都要烧，
Thankfully,
他们每天都要烧。
I grew up in the country and we had glowworms in a hill,
oh,
which was
nice.
awesome. Yeah.
No, a whole bunch of us from Hobbiton all went together on a shared weekend. And it was hilarious because they kind of knew where we were from, but we were all giving each other ribbing for someone not showing up 20 minutes early.
Yeah.
And our tour guide comes up and was like, hi, I'm going to be a tour guide. My name's Pippin. We're all like,
Oh my god! It's
she's
amazing.
like the perfect tour guide.
It is amazing.
Then Pippin stopped and we were like walking back up and echo and I was like, really?
Oh, it's amazing.
Oh, this will fall. I'm in today. I think. I'll sit on the bench. Oh, yeah. She's like, no, I'm coming with. If I trap you, there's no way home, right? So I can stay forever.
That's probably that.
Just be mindful about it.
这种就是我的梦中时光，我特别喜欢这种。
Still haven't found them. So found them, keep looking. I promise they're in the south.
What do they look like?
Little glowy lights. Not yet.
Oh my god!
So another really cool thing like this happened here, that's like one of the details a lot of people miss. So the story is that the hobbits here, they've just ducked out. Obviously these are responsible hobbits. They turned the oven off. Oh, we've got a monk. Can't see that every day.
No.
I've seen like Tibetan monks before come through. But not bad.
It certainly does. Hiya.
Bring these back or just leave my... Just hold that, man. I'll hold that. Thank you.